Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on reason for factorising. One important reason for factorising is that it allows us to simplify algebraic fractions. Let's have a look at some examples. Simplify each of the following algebraic fractions by factorising. The first one is 4m plus 12 over 8. We can factorise 4m plus 12 by writing 4 outside of m plus 3, and then we have 8 down here. Now we can cancel. 4 into 4 goes once, 4 into 8 goes twice, so the answer is m plus 3 over 2. Number 2, 20 over 12k minus 16. We can write that as 20 over 4 outside of 3k minus 4. 4 into 4 goes once, 4 into 20 goes 5, and that gives us 5 over 3k minus 4. W squared minus 36 over w plus 6. If you remember, this is the difference of two squares, because that's w squared minus 6 squared. That's how you factorise that. So w plus 6 and the w plus 6 cancel, and we're left with w minus 6. And that's the answer. We have the trinomial over that expression. If we remember from the previous video, we factorise that trinomial this way. We cancel the k plus 4's and we're left with k plus 5. Next example, that trinomial there over that expression. The way we factorise that trinomial is h plus 2 over h minus 7. And we saw how to do that in the last video. And here's our denominator h plus 2. The h plus 2's cancel, and we end up with h minus 7. This one here, we have the trinomial there and then that expression. So you notice in the numerator, you can take out 3. That's the highest common factor. So you're left with that trinomial there, because when you multiply through, you will get that. So, in the denominator, we have 3 outside of m minus 6, because when you factorise 3m minus 18, that gives you 3 outside of m minus 6. The 3 and the 3 cancel. The m minus 6 cancels with the m minus 6, so you're left with m minus 5. So we've seen 6 excellent examples where we can use factorisation to simplify algebraic fractions.